Hi guys, welcome back. It's me again, Probinsyana Morena. For today's video ay nandito kami sa Palawan Village, tribal village or tribal people. So, they will show. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung show nila guys. So, kung paano sila mamuhay. So, may ganun. So, panoorin nyo guys. Kasi i-explain naman nung guide or parang anong tawag doon. Basta meron silang parang siya yung nag-explain kasi hindi marunong magtagalog yung mga tribal people sa Palawan. So, panoorin natin guys.
Have a good morning. Good morning. Hindi na sila, sir. Tara lang. Do. Okay, have a seat here at the front po. Here at the front tayo. Meron pa guys sa paakyat. Sige ba, kurang ni?
Ito nation.
Okay. They were having fun doing something here.
Okay.
Again, paulit po, guys, paulit po. And they are the original inhabitants of the southern part of Palawan. The possible descendants also of the caveman that lived here in Palawan for thousands of years. This place is their temporary home. It became their shelter since 1976. They come and go here to just visit and stay for a couple of months, weeks, or a few nights, depending on how long they want to.
Yeah.
Then they go back at the mountains, and that is 200 kilometers away from here.
Yeah.
So it's a livelihood program because we noticed that their cultures, it's slowly disappearing because of the modernization.
Okay.
So this program, we help them and we encourage them here to continue to share their traditions and
Yeah.
the rich cultures. Pabirin na ba? Na? She will show you something. Please hold on, sir. You can take a picture of that, try to smell it. It smells like rubber. That thing that you're holding right now is one of their most important traditional product. It's a resin or a sap from almasiga tree. It's a large tree that can only be found in the mountains of Palawan. And that resin you're holding is the main ingredient in making paints. If you have, yeah, that's the main ingredient in making paints, especially the varnish, the fiberglass, and other related products. If you have nail polish, ma'am, that's the main ingredient also. Yeah.
Alright.
And other related products again.
Yeah.
It's a flammable resin, by the way.
Flammable.
Yeah,
Can start fire.
Yeah. And also they have their native drum where they put that resin. So this is called bakid. If it is full, they just simply tie the back so the products won't fall. He said if it is heavy, no problem. They have the head support to carry more weight aside from the shoulder strap.
Okay.
And they, saan mo dito? He said they can carry 50 kilos.
Oh,
of that
wow.
resin. They can carry that heavy po yan. From up in the mountains, they bring it down and they travel far to bring that here.
Oh.
And they are music lovers, so we have their musical instruments. Like their native drum, they call this gimbal. It's a hollow wood they carve, and then on top, this is an animal skin.
Okay.
At the back, they have the larger one they call agong. The smaller one is called sana. If you hear that echoes in the mountains, that means they are communicating with the spirits of their ancestors.
Okay.
So they will play all of that all together. They call it masay.
Basta.
Masay niyo.
Hey, thank you.
Okay, so here they don't dance to entertain because tribal dances are rituals, which means sacred. They only dance when they have occasions like weddings.
Okay.
All night long, the women and children dance. The men play the instruments. Aside from those drums, they have a guitar. Before the arrival of the modern guitar in the Philippines, they already have a two-string guitar.
Okay.
It's a two-string guitar considered as one of the first guitar of the Philippines. Here in the Philippines. It's called Kudyapi or Kudlungan. So let's hear them play.
Yay! Thank you.
That music is called bogit. I remember they call it bogit, which means bird song. Their
Bird song.
music are mostly related to nature.
Nature. Okay.
And they have another one. They call aroding. That instrument, it's a piece of a wild palm.
Oh.
And then on top, that's beeswax to adjust the sound. Using
Oh, yeah.
only their mouth, through vibration, they can create an amazing sound. So let's hear them play. Then you aroding. That's
Hey.
so cool.
Thank you.
In the mountains, they play that all together because it's more beautiful and harmonious when they play it all together.
It's a bit like a didgeridoo in Australia.
Yeah,
It's a bit like that.
it's similar to
It's similar.
some other countries also.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
have the similar instrument.
Yeah.
And aside from those instruments, they are hunters. So we have their hunting weapons.
Yeah.
First are the two special spears they call surayang and ligid. This is the surayang and this is the ligid. Surayang looks like a harpoon but it's not for fishing. They use this for wild pigs to trap. For example, they just simply throw the spear. Because of the hooks, it will get stuck. So the target cannot remove this. If it tries to escape or run, this metal will only separate from its handle like this. There's a possibility this will get stuck between trees,
yeah,
bushes,
yeah,
so
yeah.
the target cannot go far.
Okay.
Then they follow up using this one to kill that.
Kill it.
So basically to trap and then to kill.
Okay.
But long time ago, this is not for hunting animals, according to them. This is not for animals. And by that, you know what I mean. This is from their ancestors, handed on to them generation after generation, which means this is really old.
Yeah,
Hundreds
of
years.
years. Okay.
They also have blow darts because they said that during the rainy season, like right now, part of their diet in the mountains that they hunt birds, squirrels, and other animals. So before that, they have a small piece of bamboo they used to imitate or copy the sounds of birds. Tompios! May manok sila sa.
Like that, Hannah. Oh, wow.
Yan, so if the target is visible, they will use their blow darts. Look at their throwing pick.
Uh-huh.
They will shoot that. In the eyes.
There, ano.
But,
There's a pig.
Where?
There's a carton, no?
A pig?
Yeah. No. Yeah. It's a target.
Where? Oh, the bird. Oh, yeah. yeah.
They just drove the target.
Bullseye.
Oh.
I was looking in the trees.
in the mountains yan, when they're satisfied with their target, they really shout like that.
Oh.
In their dialect, they call that blow dart sapokan. In Tagalog, we call it sumpit. It's made of two bamboos, so they can really hit far enough to kill their target, and it's still accurate because it's made of two bamboos.
Okay.
Oh.
They still use that, but here we discourage them in hunting because our area is limited. We now have endangered animals. So this program, we help them by giving this donation box for them to buy their needs at the market. So they have food allowances, they have income from the handicrafts they sell.
Yeah.
And also in the mountains, they have their poison they make to kill the target. The wild pigs, they use the dart with poison.
Okay.
If they hit that, it will die after a couple of minutes.
Yeah.
But if they accidentally hurt themselves, goodbye.
Mm.
There's no antidote to the poison they make. There is still no antidote. That's why they don't share that to us.
Okay.
Oh.
Papoy naman, sino ang papoy? Sino ang papoy? Sige, papoy daw naman. They will also show you how they make fire in the mountains. Using just three simple materials, they can make fire. So he will show you how they make fire. His name is Inge. He's one of the eldest of them here. They teach their children how to make fire. Sino ba papoy ba? Si this one. His name is this one.
This one.
He is now 14 years old. He's a month here, staying here for a month now, and it is his first time riding a bus to join this program.
Oh, really?
So he will show you how they make fire. Yes,
Okay.
again, using just three simple materials. Sige. Did you see that?
Seen the
With
spark,
just
yeah.
2 strikes now we have the smoke. All you need is to put that on dried leaves to make fire.
Oh.
They call it santikan, or it means to strike. So now, all they need is dried leaves to make fire. They call that again santikan. Just use these materials. It's a native cotton,
Mm-hmm.
flintstones, and then this metal. Together with the other metals, this is an evidence they had the barter trading long time ago.
Go.
Yeah.
Oh,
The
wow.
mountains, the children, imagine 5 years old to 10 years old, they slowly teach them how to make fire. And they really learn fast.
Mm-hmm.
It's part of their survival.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now we have
Oh,
fire.
wow. Where's the fire now?
In the mountains, this is their light, their native torch. They
Okay.
call it salong.
Mm-hmm.
Salong is not just a torch for light, to light your house. They're way up in the mountains. It is also used for aromatherapy. It smells good.
Okay.
And then good for insect repellents.
Yeah.
Curing illnesses like headaches, according to them, it can cure headaches, stomach aches, and other illnesses.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is their native support. By the way, if you want to say thank you to them in their dialect, thank you is magsukor.
Magsoko.
Yeah.
Magsukor.
This native torch, try to smell it. What do you
Nice.
smell?
Like
Yeah.
incense.
Incense. For most of our visitors, they say it's like that. But this is a resin from a wild pili tree. And they cover it with just leaves. The important thing is to cover the resin inside.
Yeah.
They sell this torch. This long can last for 3 to 5 nights. Depending on use, according to them.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so if you want to know more information on how this all started, we have more informations at the back. So that's all for our cultural sharing. Again, the way to say thank you to them is magsukor.
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 Okay, so let's take picture.